how important it is for you to know your customer. As I've already talked about, you need to have an idea of all the things your customer wants in his life. How does he look like? What are the features? What is the desire of your customer? What does he want? Now, once you establish and once you know the identity of your customer in your head, you can break down what exactly and how you are going to sell your product through the copywriting. You pick out the features and the benefits that your customers care about. Your copy should reach all your customers on 3 levels: intellectual, emotional, and personal. Now, intellectual is the first level. For example, if I recommend my customers to buy a particular car, how well that car is going to give the customer in terms of mileage, economy. Even more important is reaching out to the customer at emotional level. Emotions include fear, greed, love, benevolence for fun. If the customer wants a more peaceful life, how can my interior designing going to give him that feeling? I want to connect with the customer at an emotional level, right? So you need to show the consumer, you need to show how using your interior designing, the customer will get peaceful sleep at night. The most powerful way you can reach your customer is at personal level. Talk about the problem they already might be facing. For example, they may be having personal issues. They may be having conflicts. They may not be having peaceful life. And that is where you need to get that connect at an emotional level. So talk about the problem which they might be having. You can ask them questions. Do you feel lonely? Do you feel hurt? Are you under stress? Now, once you ask these 3 questions, the client, the customer who is reading your copywriting is going to feel that personal connect. And then he'll be able to relate it to your product. And eventually you can sell your course, which offers a solution for all these problems. Right? And this is how you need to identify their pain points to easily know their 3 levels of intellectual, emotional, and personal level. Now you need to try using another level of formula, which is belief, feelings, and desire. Now you always know that every person has certain beliefs. So you need to understand and know what the customer believes. What is the attitude towards your product or services? Do they believe that you can address their issues? Now what about feelings? How do they feel? Are they confident, fearful? Do they like their product, your product? What are the feelings with regards to the society, the family, the business? Finally, their desires. What do they want? What are their goals? What they want to achieve? What are they looking to achieve in their life? Now once you answer their belief, feelings, and desire, you should be able to get what your customer actually wants. And once you know what the customer wants, you'll be able to pitch your product in a very better way. And I'm sure this is going to be the key to cracking that deal and getting sales.